All right, just got chest and wow, I don't have any sweat right where my nipples are. That's funny. Just got done with biceps and triceps, a little bit of shoulders. Today is a moderate carb day. Just want to make a quick video talking about the first thing that comes to my mind, which is, let's say today it's vibration. So what does that even mean? It means your energy. Where's your energy source coming from? Where are your thoughts at? And what I learned was starting jiu-jitsu was one of the best things that I ever did, because I was around a lot of like-minded people, entrepreneurs, go-getters. And if you're listening to this and you're like, screw this guy, I don't like hearing about successful people, it means your energy's down. You're not around, you don't have the mindset that believes that you can do anything that would be out of the box. You're a hater. You're a hater right now because you're not in that state of mind where you think you can actually do that, because you're scared, basically. Or you haven't been taught, you don't believe that you can do it. It's not, maybe, and it might not even be your fault, but it doesn't matter. Like, you can still get to that point where someone teaches you and pushes you, and then you jump into that next level where you do think that you do see a pathway forward out of your situation, getting abs, getting money, getting relationship, and it starts with taking a big step, like hiring a coach, like I did for myself, going to jiu-jitsu because my buddy Ryan pushed me. A girl actually pushed me to start the training business a long time ago, said that I was selling myself short, and now, easily make 6 figures for the last 10 years doing, just one-on-one training, 20 hours a week, basically. Gotten a six-pack in the past, working on that again now because I lost focus, so my energy got down. Now it's on the way back up. I'm kind of at peak, and the point of the video is, how do you get there? And like I said, I hired a coach for my nutrition and training, and yes, that's pitching my service. It is. If don't hire me, hire someone else. Like, if you actually want to get something done and you want to change your life, you need some accountability. That's what helps me. I need a schedule. I need accountability. Speaking of schedule, I got to make sure I make it to my next appointment. I've been up since 3:30, just hit the gym, washed the truck, got a 7 o'clock, listening to audiobooks, stuff that gets my mind ready for every single day, every part of my life that's growing right now: business, health, wealth, all those things, relationships. But your vibration, your energy, your mental state, the thoughts, the negative thoughts, the positive thoughts, keep an eye on that. And what happens is, when you get into a good state, a positive state, you can just, it's so clear. If you do the diet, you'll get a six-pack. If you make 50 sales calls today, you'll make a sale, you'll increase your income by double. If you do the diet, you'll get a six-pack. It's pretty incredible. So those are some things to focus on, some things to be aware of. If you need help with getting yourself into shape, basically getting to the next level, there's levels. There's like pain and suffering, there's depression, there's anxiety. Then there's like the neutral energy zones, where you're getting out of that lower states of negativity and you're caught in that turmoil of repetitive depression, repetitive anxiety. And this thing, like raising your energy, it's not a synonym, it's not a metaphor. It's literally like, you might have to raise your energy by moving. That actually does, it physically gets your energy moving, molecules moving, respiration up, everything starts moving, your metabolism increases. That increases your energy as well. It increases, it's not just a metaphor, like raising, it's not some woo-woo mystical stuff. It's like literally. And then that helps produce thoughts and get you out of that anxiety and depression. That's why nutrition coaching or hiring someone to help you out works so good for me. It's like, I know exactly what to eat. I know exactly what to train. And it's very clear now on what I need to do to get back into shape. And I have accountability with another person. It's like bread and butter. And you know what I did after I hired a coach for nutrition coaching? My nutrition coaching business doubled. My personal training business doubled. So basically, the $500 a month that I spent on that, it turned into like more than 10x. Not 10x. Yeah, 10x. More than 10x. So how incredible is that? So when you double down on yourself, on your education, on your personal development, your personal growth, that just transfers, it just bleeds out into all areas of life. People started reaching out to me at jiu-jitsu. People want to talk to you. You have something to give because your cup is full. You can't even help others. You're just talking bull crap if you're not helping yourself first. So like, if you can't get your finances in order, if you can't get your six pack, if you can't do all these things, no one's gonna listen to you because they know you're full of crap. And when you speak it, no one's gonna, it's just junk. So just want to get on here today and spend 5 minutes to tell you that you can raise yourself out of that. I've been at the worst. I've been super hopeless in my past, super hopeless. And I had to move back out of this. I had to move out of the city that I moved out to for. And that was just a whim. That was not really something that I had planned. You know, like I said, I started in my car, didn't have a job, friends or family out there, then went up from like living in my Honda Civic hatchback on the streets of Hollywood to like getting my first, you know, $3,000 a month client working for a royal family. And then Hollywood like producers, started training them as my second client. But you know, it was scary. It's really scary. And then there's levels of like elevation. And you know, I can show you how to do all that stuff basically, because I went through it and I did it myself, and I'm even working on it now. Like, if you're not currently working on it, then it's basically, if you're not currently working on it, then you don't have anything to say because you're not actually doing it. So get after it. If you need help, dude, like, it's so worth it to hire someone to help you. And just do the work. You'll get the result. You'll feel better. You'll level yourself up. It's your life. Your life is super short. Like, go do it now and get your life going the way that you want it to be. Quit suffering. There's no reason to suffer. I mean, the reason to suffer is to get through that and never want to go back. And then that's how you make a change. But there is waves to life. There's that undulating wave that you have to ride, the highs and lows. But get going, get after it, get on a program, get started on something, raise your energy up, and then you'll be able to go help other people. Done.